How much money do you really need to invest for an E2 visa? Many entrepreneurs dream of starting a business in the United States, but aren't sure how much capital they need. The truth is, there's no fixed minimum amount required by USCIS. Instead, the E2 visa focuses on whether your investment is substantial, meaning large enough to make your business successful and to show your real financial commitment. The E2 visa allows nationals of treaty countries to live and work in the U.S. while directing and developing their own business. Unlike other investor programs, it doesn't require a specific number like $500,000 or more. Instead, the amount must be proportional to your business type. For example, most successful E2 applicants invest between $100,000 and $300,000. But smaller service-based businesses, like consulting firms, online agencies, or professional practices, can sometimes qualify with less, as long as the investment is enough to make the company operational and profitable. What matters most is that your funds are at risk and fully committed before applying. That means your money should already be invested or legally obligated, not just sitting in your personal account. You can use it to pay for office leases, equipment, franchise fees, or other startup costs that show you're serious about your business. USCIS will also look at whether your business is real, active, and capable of generating more than just personal income. It should have the potential to create jobs and contribute to the U.S. economy. A solid, realistic business plan helps demonstrate this. It should include your 5-year projections, hiring goals, and revenue estimates. Your investment funds must also come from a lawful and traceable source. This could include personal savings, business profits, the sale of assets, or even a gift or inheritance, as long as you can document the source clearly. Transparency is key. USCIS needs to see where every dollar came from and how it reached your U.S. business. Here's an overview of typical investment ranges by business type. Consulting and IT services usually fall between $60,000 and $100,000. Franchises and restaurants typically range from $150,000 to $300,000. Retail or import-export businesses often invest between $100,000 and $250,000. Manufacturing or logistics operations may require $250,000 or more due to higher equipment and property costs. And online or digital businesses may qualify with $60,000 to $120,000 if they can show real transactions and operational activity. So while there's no magic number for E2 approval, there is a formula for success. The investment must be substantial, the funds must be at risk, and the business must be credible and capable of growth. If you can prove these elements, along with a strong business plan and lawful source of funds, you could qualify for the E2 visa even with a smaller investment. This visa remains one of the most accessible and flexible options for entrepreneurs looking to live and work in the United States. It's renewable indefinitely, allows your spouse to work, and lets your children study in the U.S. If you're ready to turn your investment into opportunity, the E2 visa could be your path to building a successful business in America. For more information, visit usavizalaw.com and read the full article, How Much Investment is Required for an E2 Visa. Thank you for watching.